Copy from Excel without line break. When I copy text from a cell in Excel and paste into a text document, a line break is appended. Example: Ctrl+C/Ctrl+V. Is it possible to copy as plain text without additional line breaks added?
Ctrl+C and GT, Ctrl+V and GT, backspace is probably better than the accepted answer due to fewer keystrokes. I know this doesn't really answer the question. It sounds like your question is really a feature request. As mentioned in the comments, here is a macro solution as well. This URL sounds like too much work to me to avoid a backspace keystroke. If it's large grabs and pulls, I would just suggest using Notepad++ as advanced find/replace and exploit the \n\r\t characters that are the real text appended to the copy/paste and replace them with nothing.
Simply press F2 to edit the cell, select all text, Shift+Home ought to do it, or Ctrl+Shift+Home for multi-line cell, then copy, Ctrl+C, and paste, Ctrl+V, without line breaks being added.